exchange rates, it's still not that much smaller than China. People tend to forget that those very big numbers you see for the size of the Chinese economy are based on purchasing power. And if you look at China in terms of what its income is at market exchange rates, it's not nearly that big. It's nowhere close to rivaling the US yet. Probably will at some point, but not yet. And it's not actually that much bigger than Japan. But Japan is interesting because Japan has been in this state of persistently depressed economy, deflation, very great difficulty in overcoming its problems, never managing to reduce the debt load for a long, long time now, for depending on exactly when you want to start it, but we used to talk about a lost decade, but now it's closer to 2 lost decades for Japan. And that's very troubling because the Japanese they have a lot of advantages. They're a big country, relatively speaking, stable government. They have highly educated. Their officials, their policymakers are not ideal, but they're not stupid. And if the Japanese have so much trouble breaking out, then what are the chances for the Europeans? What are the chances if the United States should slide into that sort of problem? And the Japanese are now making an effort to break out. They're making a real push, Abenomics, which I would say has about a 50% chance of succeeding. But it's proving that it's extremely difficult to break out of this deflation trap once you're in it, which is a very bad omen for the rest of us.